In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to blur a photo in your Instagram story. Blurring can add a cool effect or help you focus attention on specific parts of your image. It's simple to do and only takes a few steps. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Look towards the top left corner of your screen for your story button. Tap on it, then tap on Camera to open the camera interface. Next, swipe through the various effects available at the bottom of your screen until you find an option labeled Browse Effects. Tap on this option to access the effects gallery. Once you're in the gallery, look for the search icon and tap on it. Type in blur into the search bar. You'll see that blur is also featured under popular searches, making it easy to find. After searching for blur, you'll be presented with a variety of blur effects. Take your time to scroll through these options and choose a blur effect that you like. Each effect has its own unique style. Some offer a subtle blur, while others provide a more dramatic effect. Once you've selected your preferred blur effect, simply tap on it to apply it to your camera view. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.